Hi everyone.
Hello.
So we've it's the day after Boxing Day, and we've been to Bunnings and bought some taps because I wanted black taps, and we had a delivery of our black kitchen sink just before Christmas. So Brad's going to install it, and the charge controller, the extra charge controller, which was suggested to us in one of our most popular videos, which is our new solar that we did, and there was a guy in there who we forget his name, but
I think it's Jim.
He mentioned that we might need to redo the math, which Brad did, and realised we do need another charge controller to be able to capture everything from the solar on the roof. So Brad will take you through that.
I sort of flew into it a little bit, not concentrating on the math. So I did the math, and the guy was right. So I really do appreciate the
the advice we're still learning.
Yeah, the comment. Yeah, because I actually took the van out into full sun and had it running, and was running the aircon and all the rest of it. And the charge controller got quite hot. So we're losing a lot of solar. So thanks for that comment. I don't know if
you redid the math and
so I redid the math and
we'll show that when you do the install, I guess.
Yeah, can do. Yeah, can do that. We just wanted to show the sink. Justine always wanted a black pack in the caravan, didn't you?
Yeah, and we didn't build this van, so.
Yeah, so it didn't come. It came with. Let's turn
around and show.
So obviously, most people know they come, just silver. So we went shopping. It's Christmas as well, so Merry Christmas. Hope you've had a good one. Just bought them off the shelf, and I'm going to install those. That's the charge controller. What else do we have to talk about?
No, that's it.
Just turn it back around.
On my photo frames. So we're working our way through putting up some photos on the wall, if you want to show the wall as opposed to me. So I just got these magnetic frames from Officeworks so they can go on the fridge. I'm actually using a bit of blue tape to stick them on the wall, but we'll just see how they go. Yeah. So I'm doing a bit more of that today.
Gonna put family and friends. Put people there.
Yeah. So we'll see.
Oh, Justine wants to take the piss out.
So Brad's become obsessed with what all you guys do in your vans, and that is plastic plants. So
is it a thing? That's all we want to know. Is it a thing?
Seems to be a thing. So Brad became obsessed with it. So we've actually joined the club, the Plastic Plant Club, and so we've got one in the bathroom. Yeah, I saw and there's one over there.
While touring had one, and I'll flip that around. Opens the place up a bit. So let us know what you think. Do we keep them?
We get that one over there.
Oh, we get that one over
decorator
there.
item.
Do we keep them or do we not?
Moving on. Let's get this sink in.
No. So yeah.
So what are we doing?
Well,
so all the pumps are off.
Yes, make sure your pumps are off because these work on pressure, and then obviously bleed you.
Make sure there's no water in them. Yeah.
They're just press fittings that you can push that ring back and then they'll slide out, and you can undo that as well. And that's your hot water, that's your cold water, and that'll be your filtered water there. So anyway, these are siliconed on. I can't feel any clips, so it'll just be a matter of prising that off with a screwdriver and just put something on here to protect your bench. The sink that we bought should be pretty close. It's made by the same company, isn't it?
Well, I can't see a brand on this one, but yes, I think so. You going in the car? Someone loves the car, don't ya? Yes. So what are you doing?
Let's put a bit of gaffer tape, duct tape, whatever you can got your hands on, just to protect your edges. That's all. I guarantee if you don't do it, you'll end up scratching the.
And the wife will be cranky.
Yes, but Jesus, out of your wife's bench top.
I'll be bitching about it.
I think it's going to be easier to leave the pipes on and get this out, and then take them apart, because there's hardly any room. I don't know how the plumbers bloody put it in there. Maybe that's how they did it. But I think you're going to have to break the silicon, cut the silicon with something sharp. So Justine's got some really sharp knives, and try and cut that off the. So this seems to be working. And hopefully it makes it easier to get it all out in one hit.
You never run out of gaffer.
I'd like to, no.
No, there goes the finger again.
So if you have a look on some of our other videos, you'll always see a blue nail in there somewhere.
Yeah, and I've got blue again, look. There you go. See? Blue. So every time I have blue painted fingernails, they end up in a video.
I fix stuff for a living, and I couldn't figure that out. Take it out.
Gold, Brad. Gold. Love it, love it, love it.
I don't know if that's going in there.
No, I think we could edit that. You got it. You got it.
Woo.
It's the same sink.
You.
Definitely the same sink.
So now, yeah, it exposes all your pipes. So push that in. Oh. One. Yeah.
Were you just impersonating the Count from Sesame Street? Nice.
Have a look. That's what the inside of your red centre.
Yeah. It's not that exciting, is it? We should film ourselves arguing because we do it not often enough.
Yeah, when you're drilling with your hole saws through stainless, go slow or go short sharp burst or slow, because it will work hard.
What does work harden mean?
It goes hard. It goes hard, and it'll actually blunten your drill bits and blunten the hole saws. So short sharp bursts. It's only thin, so it shouldn't take much to get through. Alright, I'm just doing the reverse process of how it came out. Put everything together. Put everything together. Can't think and talk at the same time. Yeah, put everything together before I actually stick the bench down. Otherwise you've got to do it up under in that tight space, and there's not a lot of room in there.
That looks nice.
Justine's scared. So
Always.
I've just got to mark the corners out. I've got to cut them out by hand. So to square the corners for this particular sink, that was a mission. Oh, I think I made that look a lot harder than what it actually was.
Yeah, we'll see. Let's hope it just slides in.
Alright, we just had some lunch, haven't we? I had to go down to Tucky's Mitre 10. The drinking water, side of the tap, it goes from, you can see that, goes from the black, which is 1/2 inch, looks like down to 10 millish, but the fitting doesn't fit. That's the standard fitting that goes on there. So that doesn't fit, and I couldn't get an adapter to go to that. So I've had to adapt it basically.
Bratify it.
Ratify it, yeah. Just to get it to work. So it was a little bit of a hiccup, wasn't it? Slowed us down a little. So that's what I had to do. Adapt it. But it's a lot easier adapting it out here, isn't it?
Under the sink?
Than trying to do it under the sink. That's just
No question.
painful.
Is it still recording?
So you got your little rubber gasket, comes with your sink, and there's a rubber gasket under there, which looks like that.
Is that the old one?
Yeah, yes.
You hope.
It won't matter because it's just there to seal. And little nut on the top screws into the.
I wish that was black.
Yeah, it would have been nicer, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Might have to put the old nut back in. That's why.
This one? Oh, because it's a different.
Different thread.
Ah.
Something to be aware of.
Even though it's the same brand sink.
Yeah. So this is the drinking water. Nice.
The pump's usually not that loud.
No leaks. Hot water.
Yeah, there we go. Done up now. Yep. Yep.
Getting hot.
Fabulous. 2 taps into one. Well done.
It cost us all up. To sink
It was 244. So
Doc.
it's stainless steel. So I looked at lots of different types, but because it's quite small, it was really hard to get the right size, and they were quite heavy. So stainless steel, black stainless steel. What did we bought that tap was 208.
Yep.
But it's a combo tap, so we're looking at 2 taps, and then we found that one, so which was cheaper. So what's that? 455, 460. What else?
And the other tap.
Well, the other tap's separate.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was
So,
124. We bought a black tap for the bathroom as well.
so that's what
It
it's
was
cost us. Oh,
120.
there was about $24. Had to get some extra fittings because I'll probably have that in the video somewhere.
Are we finished? Where? The royal we. Brad's finished.
Yeah.
Sink installed.
So the sink's installed, not leaking.
New dual tap.
Yep. So that's your drinking water. Sorry, she's just cleaned. That's your hot and cold water. Instead of having your drinking water over here. And we put a black tap in here.
That was fun.
That was painful, really painful.
And ignore the dirty sink.
So to get to it, you actually have to take these 2 bottom drawers out, and you got to stick your hand right up under there, and it's virtually at the end of your stretch. So anyway, it's done now. Wife's happy.
I was very happy. Looks really nice.
Yeah.
What I wanted from the go. So yeah. Thrilled.
So I got to put that Victron in at some point.
Yep.
Maybe another video for that. Don't know. See what happens. See ya.